children, today we are going to learn class 3rd math science lesson number 8. In that we are going to learn page number 64, the muscular system. Okay, today we are going to learn about the muscular system. The muscles make the muscular system of our body. Now, in a muscular system only, muscular system consists our muscles. Okay, the bones in our body cannot move on their own. Now, we have the bones in our body. You can see the bones in our body. Okay, but the bones cannot move their own. They have to be pulled by the muscles. Now, they have to be pulled by the muscles only. Okay, there are around 650 muscles in our body. Total muscles in our body, there are 650 muscles are there in our body, children. Okay, I hope you understood about the muscles. Okay, now we'll go for the circulatory system. The circulatory system of our body is made up of heart. Okay, the circulatory system, it is in circulatory system. In this system, the most important part, it is a heart. Okay, what will we do? Heart, blood and blood vessels. In this circulatory system, heart and blood vessels, it is a most important part. This system is responsible for the transportation of blood to all the parts of the body. Now, what it will do? Circulatory. So, in this word only it is having the meaning. It will circulate. It will pass the blood from all the parts of the body. It will pass the blood. Okay, blood vessels will pass the blood, and heart will pump the blood to different part of the body through big and small vessels. Okay, then heart will pumps the blood. Heart will purify the blood and it will send to the blood vessels. It will send to the big and small blood vessels. Okay, these blood vessels are of two types of blood vessels are there: arteries and the veins. Okay, now blood vessels means what it is? Vessels means what? A tubular structure carrying a blood. Tubular means it is like a pipe, one small pipe. You can see here. You can see here many pipes. You can see here. Now see here. Here you can see many pipes are there. This will carry the blood from all the parts of the body. You people are having vessels and arteries and veins. You people are having. The main part of the arteries and veins to carry the blood. Okay, the arteries pumps the blood from the heart. The arteries will pumps the blood from the heart. The veins bring the blood back to the heart. Now, what veins will we do? Arteries, they will pumps the blood from the heart, and veins bring the blood back to the heart. They will pure blood they will carry, and impure blood they will carry to the again heart, that is. Now, next one is the nervous system. The nervous system controls all our actions. In a nervous system will control all the actions like seeing, hearing, walking, crying, learning and smelling. All the action of a sense organ in nervous system it will be doing. You are seeing, hearing, walking. You can walk, crying, learning and smelling. Now you are learning. Smelling means you know. Crying means most people knows what is meant by crying. Okay, etc. This system consists of the brain. This consists of the brain. It will system is a consist of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Now here spinal cord means what? You people will not getting this word. This is means what? Bundle of nerves is enclosed in the spine and connects nearly all parts of the body brain. It is known as a spinal cord. The brain is the master organ of our body. Yes, many members knows that brain is the master organ of our body. The nerves carry signals from the body to the brain and bring the desired instruction back for the body to act upon them. What it will do? It will carry the signals. What will be giving specific signals? The nerves will carry the signals from the body to the brain and bring the desired instruction. Whatever the brain will give the instruction to, it will get back to the body to act upon. Now something is there in front of you, then you will tell to beat them. Then the brain will tell us to beat that people. Otherwise you are in a something you saw in front of you like a snake, this, that, then you will get a shock, then you will feel to beat that. Your brain will give the suggestion what you have to do, that how you have to act on that. This is how a nervous system works. This is known as a nervous system will work like this way. I hope today you understood these three systems: a muscular system, a circulatory system, and the nervous system. These three systems are very important. Now muscular system, it is depend upon the muscles. Circulatory system, it is a most important part in this heart, blood and blood vessels. And the nervous system, it will give us to the nervous system, it will carry the information to our brain, and the brain will tell us to act on that. It is known as a nervous system. It is very easy, children. Okay, I hope you people understood. Now today's your homework is you have to read this page number 64 5 times.